I've been videoing here for the last couple of minutes, this stupid fucking camera, and the sound keeps skipping to where the video is into a different spot, so I'll say something in a couple of minutes, I'll point to it. I'm just organising my yard here. I haven't done any work here, I've been too busy the last while. This is the first day back at it. You can see I have the body off. I've done a couple of videos, but I didn't post them because they're kind of shite, and half of them were kind of half videos, and some of them were just kind of me running around picking up cars, and so I didn't bother posting it. So I'm just going to go through what I've done here. That body was supposed to be sold to another recovery guy up the country, but he's busy, so he hasn't come and collected it. So I'm going to have to ring him now and see will he pick it up. What I want to do is get that body just over to this far side of the yard, so I can get the transit spun around, get the body up and into the other shed up there, just so I can work on it, because I need the lift to have the Mini up there. I want to get that done. I want to get this transit done, and a couple of jobs from customers that want done, so I need to start making that lift pay again. This body is Roger and Dyson. I've never had one before, and they're really good quality. And one thing I like about it is this roller. So the body slides on rollers, but all the bushings and the kind of axle shafts are a bit worn out. I can't find the bushings the right size, so I'm looking for a lathe. So if anyone in Ireland has a lathe for sale, just the old school ones are. I don't want cheap Chinese shit, but I'd rather a 30 or 40 year old one that's centers are still good in it. Yeah, because I'm going to redo the working equipment on this body, all the bushings, all the pins, and I'm going to get it back up to the way it should have been maintained. This ram, I need to ring the guy again. I was meant to ring him fucking yesterday. This is an 11-foot ram, and the body only comes back past here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see, can I buy he's going to have to make it, especially it's 14.5, 15-foot ram. It'll bring the body back an extra 3-4 foot, and it just makes my loading angle a bit better, because it's like that at the moment. When it slides back, it levels out the further it goes back. And I found them nylon bush wheels I have on my tilt and slide. I want to keep nylon because they're way better than these steel ones, because the steel ones kind of crack stones on people's driveway and leave a mark, and they're fucking looking at it. Compared to this, I can go on a brand new driveway and it doesn't leave any marks at all. So I found the Ross or something in Carlow. They make wheels for the pallet trucks. So they're a nylon wheel, and they come with bearings fitted, and they're rated at 2,000 kgs. That's 2 ton, like, so each. So it'll be 4 ton on if I only put 2, but if I put 4, if I can manage to work 4 into it, I'll be happy with that, just because it's a bigger body and trucks only going to get bigger. Right, so I'm just going to do a couple of quick videos of steps I go through here, and see how it turns out. This video, the camera's a lot better. I can put it on my head and run around with it, but there's some fucking issues with it. Right, I'm just going to get started here on a couple of jobs. I want to get diesel in that truck, petrol in the car, and I want to I went down and got the nut for this. I get that fitted. So first thing now is diesel in the truck here. These Diptyque bottles, fucking using them constantly for great funnels for everything. See if that works. Oh yeah, fuck. want to do is get the new one set up roughly the same as this one. I'm just going to go in the shed and get that nut on the other one. I was doing a video on rust remover. I forgot to do it. I forgot to publish it actually. I'll do it again. This was thick with rust, that whole thing, and that is just pure steel. And it's way cheaper than any of the rust remover. I'll do some on that oil. Don't know how this doesn't fit here. It does. What I want to do is get this in the same spot. Roughly. I go to the middle of that. That's my camera. I go to there. It's 50.8 mil. My eye's a bit fucked there. 51.6 we'll go to. Put the same nuts in the same spots. No reason. Keep my OCD happy. Two is I didn't get a lock nut on this. I should have actually got a lock nut, but I didn't pay for it, so I'm not complaining. You all look bigger than you're not. Spring washer would be nice. Lovely. Right. Put this on and see can I actually find the gear I'm looking for. I have the fucking nut inside. Normal washer, spring washer, fucker of a nut. You know, that fine thread nut is nicely machined, it feels. And a bit of a pain in the hole. That mini running out the front, just give the battery a bit of a chance. I'll go on, you fucker. Right. I'm going to tighten it up to the other nut on. The odds of this starting are fairly slim. Battery probably did disconnect everything though. Put the booster on it. Fuck. what I'm going to do before I load that body. I'm going to ring the guy, see if he wants it. I'll leave it loaded till tomorrow. 24 and everything on, right? Oh my god, the gear sticks feels proper.